We're here at the Sandos Finisterra in Los Cabos. Today, we have a room tour of the Junior Suite Ocean View, so let's get on in. We stayed in room 1610, and to get to your room, you use these fabric bracelets. They're not uncomfortable. I only remembered I had it when I was unlocking the room. It's a little uncomfortable to use the first few times, but you get a little used to it. The bathroom has your normal sink in the open area with a few amenities like a shower cap, a cotton swabs, and a shoe shine. It does come with a hairdryer, which is lovely. I forgot to clean before this video, but you can see the takeout container. You could get breakfast at the buffet and take the box up to your room to enjoy. There is a closet beside there, which has a safe, an area to store your luggage, and some of the hangers that you can't take out of the room. There were a few left behind, I think, as well for us, so that was nice. There's also an ironing board and an iron, but I can't vouch for its powers. I don't really use those. There also was a coat and slipper in there. The slippers were wrapped up in the plastic. In the bathroom, on the other side, it's quite spacious. There were always towels above the toilet, and in the bathroom you have your basic shampoo, conditioner, body wash, but it never really worked. There is a plug for the bath, so you can enjoy having a dip in there. I kept my house coat in here, which was nice enough, but it wasn't the most comfortable thing in the world. Now, as you enter the main room, the first thing you're going to notice is this main spot where the water was refilled. We used about 2/3 during our week with drinking water, coffees, brushing our teeth, and rinsing our bubbas. So there also is the mini fridge underneath of it. And ours was a little more full than everyone else's because of a nice person refilling it right before we did this video. But it is full where you have 2 Pepsis, 2 Diet Pepsis, orange, 7-Up, 2 light beer, 2 regular beer, 2 Dos Equis. So it was quite full of liquids. There's no snacks or anything with that. King bed. It is a king mattress, but the base is also 2 twins. The bed is not made as the staff hasn't been in yet, but we were on our way out. So also, if your bedmate is a flopper like a dolphin, you will feel it. The dressers were quite spacious, and there was tons of countertop on top. So we were never out of room for our stuff. Next to the bed, there are 2 lights. Each side is different on which switch does which side. So on this side, the left is the top and the right is the bottom reading. The USB ports work really well on here and charge faster than our USB bricks. The couch does pull out from the bottom. You can see the tab there, but I'm not going to do that for this. It wasn't the most comfortable couch for reading, but it was still quite nice to have. Coffee maker, they start you off with 2 packs. Each does 4 cups. There's a lot of sugar, cream, etc., and each one has a napkin in it, which was cool. It does not automatically turn off, though, so you do have to remember to turn it off. We tended to get a little glass of Bailey's the night before and put it in our bar fridge and use that in the morning when the bar isn't open, as they don't open until 10 a.m. Outside, nice view of the ocean going out there, as well as the resort next door. You can see the whole resort, and if you bring your binoculars, you may be able to see whales out in the ocean there. Trying to point, let's see if I can do this. Right around there is the towel shack for you to get your towels and replace them. Here we have the swim up bar, adults only. It's Mexican at lunch. Here is a meeting center, and behind it is Tortuga, the restaurant. The first one was Agave at dinner. Here we have a sushi pizza place. Sushi is very good. You get 4 rolls per sushi. And one unique thing here is we have a dry rack. So you can put your bathing suits out and have them dry out The chairs, they were nice, they looked out, but they're not the most comfortable. Recommend putting down a towel before you sit in them, or else you're going to have diamonds on your legs all day. You do get full sun all day, so you can see my chair was in the sun, in shade 10 minutes ago, and already I'm in. Now we are at the end, so we're not going to have as much shade as some of the other places. So you are in shade for 9 to 4 at least. Yeah, it's a really lovely room, but you really do need to have something down on these chairs to prevent you from having diamonds on your butt. It's just not cute. That's about it for the outside. Heading back in for just a few more small items of note. There is decor inside, of course, that's still tropical themed. You have your palm trees, your pretty painted art. The split unit is actually really helpful. It worked quite well. So our room's been 22 all week, and never did we feel uncomfortably hot or cold. It really did do its job quite well. And that's it. Now, imagine yourself here at Sandos Finisterra, Los Cabos. 2 tickets later, this could be your getaway.